Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be discussing uh, regarding sweeteners that are commonly used in any food, be it at your home, be it at your be it is any food product, which is processed food product or anything. So to start with, here you can see that it is written a substance that is used to sweeten food or drink, especially one other than sugar. Like common example, we can say sugar is a widely used and most standard commodity or substance which is used to sweeten the food. Regularly, we use it in tea, any of these desserts we eat. But there are various other compounds of substance that have the property to impart sweetness to the food commodity, and these are known as sweeteners. Types with moving forward, you can see the types of sugars or types of sweeteners. Sorry, these are sugars, natural caloric sweeteners, sugar alcohols, natural zero calorie sweeteners, modified sugars, and artificial sweeteners. So these are the types of sweeteners used in food industry or food. So the most common commodity or substance, that is sugar. So the sugar can be of four types, mainly sucrose, which is the cane sugar, you can say, which is produced from sugarcane. You got glucose also, one of the most common compound of the sugar known. Third is lactose, which is the milk sugar, which is present in milk, and the other one is fructose. So fructose is the sugar which is present in fruits, as we all know. So to start with sucrose it is a disaccharide, and this is it composes of glucose and fructose subunits, and it is generally produced in a natural way, and what we get is the white sugar, which is generally used uh, in our day-to-day activity. Next, moving to glucose, it is the simple sugar where it is most most abundant. It is a most abundant monosaccharide, the glucose. Lactose, as I earlier mentioned, it is naturally found in milk, and these, to mention one thing, people today nowadays have got one of the problem of digestion, which is lactose malabsorption, and this, in the common way or common term, we can call it as lactose intolerance. That is, our body is having issues for digesting the sugar present in the milk, and that is known as lactose intolerance. And other fourth sugar is fructose, and it is the ketonic simple sugar, and it is widely found in different types of fruits, and it is generally comes together, and in technical term we can say it is bonded with glucose to form the disaccharide sugar. Okay, so this was all about the sugars present in our sugars, which different types of sugars. Now moving to natural caloric sweeteners. So natural caloric sweeteners are those sugars which or sweeteners which have got some calories into it. So this is known as natural caloric sweeteners. We will further study zero caloric sweeteners. So that is those sweeteners which have zero calorie, no calorie into it. Like if we consume that, if in case this is natural caloric sweeteners, so if we consume that, then we impart or we gain some calories. So this is known as the sugar, natural caloric sweetness. So it has various types. First one is sugar alcohol, which is sorbitol, mannitol, and erythritol. So sorbitol, it is also known as glucitol. So it is a sugar alcohol with sweet taste, as it has been mentioned there. And one thing is that it is slowly metabolized in the human body, and it is obtained by reducing glucose, uh, like it is converted into aldehyde group to a to a primary alcohol group. That is, the the aldehyde group is converted into a primary alcohol group. Next is mannitol, and it is used as both sweetener and as a medication. Generally, mannitol is low calorie, and it is also used in medication in order to decrease the pressure in the eyes. And this is all about the mannitol. Erythritol, it is another sugar alcohol, and it is a 4 carbon sugar, where it is also used as food additive, and it occurs naturally, and is made by using is made from the corn using enzyme and fermentation treatment. Next is natural zero calorie sweetener. Natural. Focus on the word natural. That is, sugars which are present in the nature, not formulated by any artificial means, are known as natural zero calorie sweeteners. And let us see these are modified sugars. That is high. This is HFCS, high fructose corn sugar syrup. Sorry. Then it is caramel and refiner syrup. So HFCS is obtained from corn. Caramel is as we all know, the sugar which is obtained by the caramelization process, that is known as caramel, and then the refiner syrup. Next are the artificial sweeteners. These are also the zero calorie sweeteners, and some are aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, azosulfame K. So these are the artificial sweeteners. So aspartame is 200 times sweeter than the sucrose, and if we talk chemically, it is methyl ester of the aspartic acid, and is a sugar substitute in various foods and beverages. Sucralose, again, it is a non-caloric sweetener, and it has the E number of is E955. Saccharin is 550 times sweeter than of the sucrose, but has a bitter effect when we used it in a high amount. Next is azosulfame K, which is 200 times sweeter than the sucrose, and azosulfame K is a synthetic one, and this is also one of the synthetic low calorie free sugar. So what do the sugars do? Basic thing is add sweet taste, and other thing is they give a bulk to the, and they give texture to the food commodity, and also they act as preservatives. So some of the chemical or chemically made sugar sweeteners are, they cause an effect to our human body. So like saccharin causes blood cancer, aspartame is like it is associated with brain tumor, and people having phenylketonuria should not eat it, and due to and sucralose has chlorine, which is carcinogenic in nature. So friends, this was all about the today's topic, that is sweeteners which are used in food industry. I hope you got something from this, and keep watching our videos. Do like and subscribe if you think that this video was knowledgeable, and also don't forget to share the video. That's all. Thank you. Keep studying, and All the best.